A very good morning to our lecturer, Inche Muhammad Azri bin Hastan. Today, me and my friend present the case study 2. Before we start our presentation, we introduce ourselves first. My name is Tinagan son of Raja. My metric number is 01DDT20F2032.
My name is Komati Dr. Fantunan. My metric number is 01DDT20F2051.
Case study 2, which is CLO2, display skills to use graphical or visual data to visualize the concept of OOP. The question is, as a programmer at Techno Berhad, you are given the task to develop a program that can record the information of new employees such as name, age, salary, programming language used and database tool. The information will be entered by the user. Employees can be divided into two categories that are programmer and database pro. Build the program based on the class diagram and information given below. Additional information. First, all the superclass and subclasses will implement print data method. Second, print data method in the superclass will display all the information about name, age, and salary for employees categories. Third, print data method in the subclasses will invoke the print data method from the superclass. Next, I will show the coding which we do the case study to. These are the coding. First, we need to create the first class, which is employee. Below employee, we need to put the name, age, salary, and increment. The data type we use for name is string. For age, we use integer. For salary, we use double, and also increment, also we use the double. Next, void employee info. In this page, we can create coding for input name, input age, input salary. So the coding is scanner equals to new scanner system.in, system.out.print input name, name equals to next line, system.outline input age, age equals to next integer, system.print input salary, and salary equals to next double. Next is void print data. In this page, we can view the name, age, salary, and salary after 2% increment. So the coding is system.println in bracket name double dot plus name, system.println in bracket age double dot plus age. Next, increment equals to salary in bracket salary times 0 times 02. Next, system.println in bracket salary after 2% increment double dot plus increment. The next coding will continue by Komati.
Thank you, Tinagaran. So now, guys, I'm going to continue with our coding for this case study. We have created a class for programmer extend employee, which is we have to use a database. Data type is string language, and also we have put void employee info. So under this, we can the system will be print out the input language and language equal to scanner next line. So beside that, we can see void print data. Under that, the system will be print out the language. And another one is we have created a class database pro extends employee, which is in that the system will be print out input data tool and tool equals to next line. We have also used a void employee info in this, and also we have used data type string tool. And the next we have a void print data. So super.print data, and the system will be print out here is database tool. So there is a more coding for this, which is this one. You can see in this screen. So the main class is the public class case study 2. And the main method of this coding is this one, public static void main string. Under this, we have object 1, which is employee equal to new employee, and the object 2 is programmer equal to new programmer, and the object 3 is equal to new database pro. So in this, the system will be outprint the object 1, which is employee info, and the second is system will outprint the about programmer, which is the object of 2, object number 2, and the system will be print out the object number 3, which is database pro. So in this, as we can conclude, is this system, this coding is the system will be print out the object 1, object 2, and object 3, which is employee, programmer, and also database pro. So for this coding, we have to do the output, and we have put in this PowerPoint, so you can see this is the outcome of that coding. First, you must run this Java file, which I have saved as a case study 2, and then you can see the employee. After that, you will have options to input the name. You must enter a name, and there will be input a age. You must enter the age. The third will be input the salary, and you must enter the salary. After you press the enter, there will be automatically out the programmer info. In that, you must key in the input name and also input age, input salary, and last is input language. So after you enter the details for the programmer and you press the enter key, there will be automatically out the database pro, which is you must need to input the name and the input age, input salary, input database tool as MySQL, and under that you can see everything for the database tool that you was keying before this. So in the screen you can see the name of Hemasri, daughter of Chandraram, and also name of Tinagaran, and also the name of Komati Arjunan. So all the details you key in the upside, the up coding, so you can see as a database tool at the downside. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.